Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get a brightening and whitening skin instantly at your home, and also how to use yogurt to best result for your skin. This face mask also used an actress in Bollywood, that is Sonakshi Sinha. So let's start how to make it. At first I take yogurt. This face mask is the most important ingredient is yogurt. And then I take oatmeal, honey, one thing that I want to share you friends, that Sonakshi Sinha also told that in an interview that she daily eat yogurt and honey for glowing her skin's brightening, and also sometimes remove and tightening her skin. So you can use this or eat this face mask or your health issues problems. And last ingredient is lemon juice. So this is my ingredients. Now I can show you how to make it. I take a mixing bowl and a spoon to show you how much quantity I add this. At first I take 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. If you want to use this face mask or face scrub your whole body, then you can add same or 3 to 4 spoons of this quantity of ingredients. Now I add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Then I take half tablespoons of lemon juice, and now I take 1 tablespoon of honey. If your skin is dry, then you can add 2 tablespoons of honey and avoid lemon juice. Now mix it. This face mask is super face mask or face scrub that your skins get glowing, whitening, and also your suntan remove, blackheads remove, wrinkles problems solutions, that also helps and a beneficial face mask. Try this face mask 2 times in a week. You can use this face mask as a face scrubber or full body to get your skin brighten. Apply this face mask before going to your shower. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.